Yeah, hi everybody. So I'm going to continue the last section. So which is last sessions I will give some brief introductions about HTML, how to create the basic for the beginners trying to what put it like that have intention to continue their future career in the programmer as a programmer, So these sections, so I'm gonna ask Jack to show you guys how to just create what we call it like the basic frames and display the word hello world. So and using the HTML. Okay. So of course the the software we are going to use is more on Jack, can you just unmute about we call it? So can you just off your speaker? So we're going to use a Notepad to build the HTML, not to build the software, I mean the web page, but we're going to type into the Notepad++, which is a free for charge. Okay, so I'm going to ask Jack to share his screen and then to show us the basic. After that, Chi we're going to showing us how to import the picture, showing the video or whatever in the web page, which is become a like more fancy one. So I'm gonna unmute my mic. So Jack, you can continue your teaching.
So, so when I'm gonna show you guys how to do how to make hello world, a text called hello world. So first you have to start with the opening tag HTML, and you have to have a closing tag for HTML. Now, and you have to have a head tag and a closing tag for head as well. Inside that, we're gonna put a title and closing tag for title, and I'll show you what it does in a bit. So the title is gonna be hello world.
What's the slash at the back the title?
The slash is to close a tag. The one without a slash is not the closing tag, but the one with the slash is the closing tag. Now below the head, we're gonna put body tag. This is the body tag is just the main part of the website. And inside of the body, we're gonna put H1.
What's a H1?
H1 is like a box to put your text inside of it. So I'm gonna put hello world, and this is how you do it. But as you can see, we wanted to go onto a website. So first you have to save it. You can go File, Save As, then go to normal text file, change it to hypertext markup language, and change the name to anything you want.
Why don't you just put hello world?
Demo. And now, how do you put it to a website? So basically, you open up your file explorer, go to the file you saved it in, like I have saved it inside here. So demo. It's gonna show hello world. And the title, what the title do, it makes the tab name change to anything you want. For example, if I change it to tab, and then you have to make sure to save. You can, in order to save, if you want to save, you can just Control S, Or you can click this button at the top. Or you can click this button at the top, which will save. And then once you save it, you go back here. This should say tab, but it isn't saying tab. So refresh it, and now it'll say tab. So that's how you make Hello World in your web browser.
So can you just explain more about how we make it, how to add the banner? Okay. Yeah.
So if you want a banner, I'm gonna open this one, this banner. We're gonna use this banner. So I'm gonna open this with. So this, the header, this header to this header is the place. It's how we make the header. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it inside of the body. So we want Hello World to be here. So I'm gonna change this Hello World. I'm gonna delete the rest of this. So we won't have a lot of things to deal with. Now save it. Go back here, refresh it. It's gonna say nothing yet because you need to have a CSS to link with this, so I can make the color change and change the font and change the style of it. So I'm gonna make a new tab, and you're gonna save as, and then make this. You can make this any name you want. I'm gonna do demo CSS. Now go change the language. Change the language to Cascade style sheet file. Now I'm gonna save this. When when you save it, this is the link. This is how we make the thing, make it colorful and stuff. So save it. So this color, I'll tell you later. So, but before this, it won't work because let's refresh it because it hasn't been linked to it. So how you're gonna link it is by going down here, link, put the tab, link inside there. You have to put the name of the style sheet like this. And then link well and just copy this thing. So you need to put link rel style sheet href, and you're gonna put the name of the class name, tab name. So it's gonna be, for me, it's gonna be CSS demo CSS or CSS. You need to put the dot, make sure there isn't any typo, and save this. Refresh. It should go like, it should make this look like this. I'm gonna copy this again. Okay, so you can put this stuff. I'm gonna put this one here. This, save this, refresh. It's down here. So what this does is get rid of it. So save this. Okay. So this one, this one is the nav wrapper. So this makes it so that the background is black, and this makes it so that it will go, you can go like, see, you can go hover. This one makes it so that it's like makes the uppercase and stuff, and how big the text is. This this one makes how the color looks. See, look at the home, about, source, contact. Look how it's not the same as the this color, and it is a bit transparent. So that's what it does. And this one makes the color like blue. The bottom line, you see this line? Yeah, makes that, and how when is it gonna go? And this one is the hover. As you can see, when I hover across the link, it goes blue color. That's this blue color. And same as this. That's what it does. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is how the basic how we just simply create a web page with a frame and change the title as well. And we can play around with some of the CSS, to make it fancy. Like we can add some hover, change the color, underline the word, and font size as well. So we can also push everything to the right and left, get what I mean? So, and somehow how big is the size as well. So now I'm going to pass it to Qiqi. So she's gonna to present to us she's gonna to demonstrate about how to import the pictures and display in your web page, and more others like fancy video or whatever. So she has some design, about her web page. So I'm gonna pass it to Qiqi. Yeah, Qiqi, you can take over the share screen now.
Okay. Okay. First, I'll show you guys the website thing I did, which is basically this. There's also an arrow button here, and I'll show you how to do it. It basically makes you go back up to the top. Okay, so this is the code. So this is the image part. Okay. When you want to put an image onto the page, you have to have the image in the same folder. You can put it in the folder within a folder. But in here, you have to name. I put images here, and the picture I want to put here, images, and this was the picture I want to put there. And here, that's basically the link about what Jack showed you earlier. Basically all this about online order and stuff. And then this is a icon. The icon, you can get it in links.
Gigi, can I stop you for a while? So can you just show us one by one how do you add the pictures and the rest of it, right? So we just delete it first. Yeah. Or you can create another plus new one and put a code in there how you import the picture and display the picture in your web page. Thank you.
Okay. So we'll open a new one. We'll type it in. I'll just copy it. Okay. Okay, so you have to save it. We'll save it as test, and then change this to hypertext markup language.
Right there.
Save. Okay. There. So the way you put an image is you want to do, I'll just take this out and then replace it. First, you have to do images.
Can you just show us display one picture?
Okay.
Just show us one picture. The rest of it, you can just delete it.
Okay, so you do images. And then S.
And the link as well.
Okay. src equal. And then if I want to put, example, if I want to put this one on, you have to put the folder that the picture is in and the name of the picture.
Bluebell logo.
Okay. And now we have to find out the dot. So if you want, you can open with photos to find out what kind of picture it is. There's JPG and stuff like that. This one is WEBP. There. Now what you have to do is save it. We'll go here and refresh it. There. That's how you put in images.
Okay. Okay, Chichi, can you show me more about like how to put a banners and this and that and make it fancy a little bit? Can you just do it be quick?
Save it.
Chi, I want you to make it into the same one, the test one file. Okay, you don't need to open up the new one. You get what I mean? So slowly build up your web page with the scratch, you know.
Okay, so we'll just put it here.
Yeah.
We'll add style and then a closing tag.
Because you can refer back to your original web page, you know. So from 1 to 5, so you can just show us 1 to 2 or 3 first, you know, so that we can follow you, you know.
Yeah. There. And then we'll save it. I've put all the information there in the style. You have to save it and then go here, refresh it. It doesn't do that much because I haven't added stuff. We'll add another one, which is Yeah. We'll also make the background pink. Or if you want, you can do any color you like. We'll just randomly do one color. There. So okay. We'll add some other stuff.
Talking to you.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Louder.
Okay. Now, I add the link in, and there's also these, like, I'll add this link in. This link is to make the icons and stuff you'll see over here. This is what makes the icon. There. As you can see, there's arrows. That's the icon. You can get it online. You can go to Font Awesome and get different kind of icons that you want.
Titia, can you just explain to us what you have done here? So just like from the style, right? Image SRC image bluebell.our website. The underneath one, can you explain more details? What have you done and how we gonna to use it? What is the meaning of the code and this and that?
Okay, so I put all the links in a div class so I can put them in a container so they are not spread around. And when I do the style, it will make it easier.
So do you mean like, did you mean like the DVI class equal to wrapper? This is a container, is it?
Yes. That's what when you do a style like here. When you do a style, you do dot wrapper. And then you just type any information you want. Like example, if you want to make the text blue, it will only make it blue for these, nothing else.
So can I ask about the wrapper on above of the map wrapper, the dot image, you know, align item center margin dash top 20 pixels. What does that mean?
Okay.
I don't see any difference from there.
Okay. Align item is supposed to put the item in the middle, but since it's not working, you might have seen it from Jack. And margin top, as he said, is how you move the picture.
Gigi, can you make it work now?
Yeah.
Jack, do you think I'm going to put this to the YouTube? Gigi, just be quick. We're running out of time now.
Okay.
Something cheap.
Okay, there. There was an error earlier because I didn't put this over there. Now, since I did, I'll put images And then remember to save it. And then we'll try refreshing it. Still doesn't work. We might have done a thing over there. Okay, so we'll also make the background. So if you want to do background, you do this, face background, 2 dot, and then just say whatever color. There, we'll try blue, and then save. There, makes it blue.
Yeah, I know you are doing the background one, but how to make what's the meaning of the align item center? Is referring to the picture, is it? The logo you have made just now, right?
Yes.
So can you just make it happen? The rest of it, I mean like the about this and that. You just delete it first and make it happen and show us how you make the logo into the center. So maybe you can refer back to your original one.
There. I'll try it again. I'll delete these. Still doesn't work.
Jack, meantime you try how to make the logo or wording into the center. Come up.
There.
Okay, explain to us how you make it happen. And what is the problem just now?
Okay. The problem was there was a space over here. You can't have a space because in here in the div class you don't have a space or anything.
So can you explain that? So in order to move the logo into the center, so we have to do the coding on top of the image, right? Am I right?
Yes. So you have
Or we
to
can just put it upside down or whatever we want, whatever position we want.
you can put it whatever position you want, but I would prefer it putting at the top so it's easier. It's closer to the link and stuff.
Okay, can you show us back? Can you show us the original website you had done just now? The perfect one.
The original is this.
Okay. Now you have made the logo into the center. I want you to show us how to make it the background. You know, the background we make it as a color as this now, as this one.
Okay.
Yeah, just show us how.
Okay, the way you can do it is do the star, opening and closing. The star thing over here stands for everything. So whatever you put here, it's gonna do it for everything. So we're gonna do background. I'll just copy the color of it here. For color, we have to do a hashtag. And then you have to paste the color, close it, save. There.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so since you have make it happen now, so can you add another like the panel with about, contact, item, what we call that?
Yeah.
The drop down menu, right? Can you make it happen as the one you show us?
Okay. Okay, so all these, I'll just copy and paste it over there.
Explain to us.
Yeah. Okay. This wrapper is similar to logo. So basically give you a container. So if you have logo here, you only did it for logo. So all these is not going to affect. And then this is this UL right here. I'll save it and I'll show you. And refresh. UL is basically these dots. It makes it into a list. It's a type of list. And then we make it into another class, which is like a container. And then this is another drop down button, is the cancel button right here. And here you can see the about. This is a link right here. If you put that and a file name, when you click into it, you'll go to that file. And as I said before, this is an icon, and same for the rest.
So I can see the one you explained, right? There is a LI and then there's a A. What is the stand for? What do they stand for?
Okay, so LI is the list, it's a type of list, and the A is links. Basically links you from this website page to another page. But since I didn't put any file name into it, it won't go anywhere. It just stays in the same page.
Okay, so what's the result?
What's the result?
So example, this one. I'll see if it works. Yeah, there. It goes back to this page that I was on. If I go back, it comes back.
Can you see the about online order or not? The original one is on the top and with the line. I mean, like the straight line from the left to the right. Can you make it that happen instead of just drop down from the top to the bottom?
So you want to make it into the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do is, as before, make it dot wrapper. And in here, do text align. And we want to make it center. I will save. And we'll try refreshing it. There. Now it's in the middle.
Just one group in about on the top. The second, I want to be on the top, like from the left to the right, one by one. So okay. So I'm gonna share the screen now. Okay. Okay, seems like we have done some what we call that, like the basic programming about that. Gigi, can you show your screen now?
Your screen?
Yep.
Yeah.
No. Okay, see, we have done some. Jack already showed us how to do a frame and basics, like what we call that, the hello world, right? The banner as well. So and now Chichi has showed us like how to make the logo, how to push the logo into the center, and the about online with the linking as well. Okay, and the dot on the left here as well, and we got a crossbar as well. So I think it's quite okay for the basics, like doing how we develop our own web page. So I'm not going to drag it so long. So we're going to make another videos and how to make it perfect as what you have see just now, what you have saw just now, the perfect the web page from Chichi. So okay, thank you for watching every the video, and thank you Chichi and Zach. Okay, see you next time.
You got it.
Bye.